Hi, this video is for Thursday, October 1st. Yay, it's October. All right, let's get started with our daily packet. Daily packet. All right, so today we are Unit 2, Week 2, Day 4. All right, so here we're going to put our spelling words in the box that it belongs. So a word that droops down, skinny. Maybe the word piece, like a piece of pie. Here we have skinny, two, okay, maybe leaf with a 4-letter word. I think you guys must be good at this with how well you guys did with hangman last week. 3-letter word, we have key, and it droops down with the Y. Here, one that droops down in 4 other letters, maybe queen. Here we have tall, 3 regular, one that droops down, maybe funny, or happy. Oh, no, yeah, it should be funny because happy will have the P's drooping down also. So we'll write here funny. Here we have a tall letter and 3 littles, tree. One that ends in a tall letter. Okay, this one and this one can kind of interchange. So whatever fits here can fit here, whatever fits here can fit here. So that will be the words need and read. So if you have need here and read here, that works too. Here, this one will be happy as the P's droop and the Y droops. And lastly, the word clean. Write a sentence using 1 or more spelling words. So take a challenge and do at least 2 spelling words. Maybe I was happy to read. Happy and read are my spelling words. So again, our long E words is our pattern this week. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4, that's a double, 4. 19 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus 3, another double, 3. 18 minus 8, 10. And 17 minus 9 is 8. So here, it's very important to read the information. Like here it says each X stands for 3 students. So even if we see 4 X's, that doesn't mean 4 students voted for that. It really means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a big difference. So first question, how many students voted for apples and bananas? So I'm going to go apples and bananas. So I'm going to count 3 for each X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 votes. Another way you could do it is you can draw, 4 X's, 4 X's again. So that would be, because each of these X's stands for 3, but if we draw 3 sets of 4, that's the same amount. And same here, 3 X's and 3 more X's, because each of these symbolizes 3. And if we count them, we should have 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yep. How many more students voted for grapes than peaches? So I'm going to match this one and this one because that's the same. And then I just need to look at the difference. But I also need to remember that it's not just 4. Each of these is worth 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 more votes for grapes than peaches. That's Unit 2, Week 2, Day 4. Okay, so that's our daily packet. Today, remember that you are reading Little Book, Brer Rabbit. This is assigned if you go to Clever, Benchmark Assignments. This leveled reader is assigned to you, so you can have it read to you, but of course you can always just reread it in your little book. In Seesaw, so let me remind you here, you will answer the comprehension question. So it says select T, type your answer, or select the camera to take a picture of your written responses. So the leveled reader is Brer Rabbit. Question 1 is, what does the word picture mean as it is used on page 12? You're going to turn to page 12 because this picture is not like take a picture. You'll want to read it to know how this word is used in this story. In this one here, you do not need to write text evidence because it already says on page 12. But for question 2, you do need to add a page number to your answer. It says, what makes Brer Rabbit tell the truth? He tells the truth because you write down your answer and then also what page number did you find your answer on. So I just wrote a little note here. Don't forget text evidence for question 2. Again, you don't need to do it for 1 because it already tells us what page to look on. So that's the Brer Rabbit story, and you're going to do that in Seesaw activities. Okay, that takes us to our story, The Three Billy Goats Gruff. So we're going to reread the story. And today's activity is looking at the pictures as we're reading and writing down a few examples of how the illustrations or the pictures support the text. How do they help us understand the words written here and visualize the events in the story? Help us imagine it a little bit better. So here's the story, the entire thing. The Three Billy Goats Gruff. Once upon a time, there were 3 Billy Goats Gruff. There was a little Billy Goat Gruff. He was pink. There was a medium Billy Goat Gruff. He was black. There was a great big Billy Goat Gruff. He was brown. The 3 Billy Goats Gruff lived on a hillside. The grass there had turned brown and dry. The goats did not have enough to eat. I am hungry, cried the little Billy Goat Gruff. I am hungrier, cried the middle Billy Goat Gruff. I am the hungriest, cried the great big Billy Goat Gruff. I wish I had some green grass, said the little Billy Goat. Oh yes, sweet green grass, added the middle Billy Goat. Sweet green tasty grass, added the big Billy Goat. Let's eat. Over the bridge, on another hill, the grass was green and sweet. Under the bridge lived a bad-tempered troll. He would not let the goats cross the bridge. The 3 Billy Goats Gruff grew hungrier and hungrier. I'm just gonna scooch it up a little to see the pictures. So this picture, it helps me understand like the sizes and colors of these billy goats. So that's kind of, so it says examples of how the illustrations support the text and help visualize the events. So it helps me visualize these main characters and how, you know, there's the little one, the medium one, and the big one. And they describe that in the text. They said, you know, the little one was pink, the middle one was black, the big one was brown. So I can see that in the picture. It's what was described in words. I can also see the dry grass. It's just kind of dirt. And I can see over the grass on the other side does look nice and green. On this side here, I know now what troll looks like. I can see, again, that green grass. And looking at the picture, he, you know, kind of how it's described there, he looks bad-tempered. He looks kind of angry, like he's not just going to let whoever wants to cross over. Okay, so those are my little notes for these pictures. I can see the dry grass. I can see the sizes and colors of the goats. I can see what troll looks like. I can see the green grass. Okay, next page. One day, the goats were so hungry they decided to cross the bridge. Little Billy Goat Gruff went first. Trip, trap, trip, trap, over the bridge. Who's that crossing over my bridge? Yelled Troll. Just me, said little Billy Goat Gruff. I am hungry. I want to eat the grass on that hill. Well, I am hungry too, said Troll. I'm going to come and eat you up, he roared. Oh, please don't eat me. I am little. Wait for my brother. Medium Billy Goat Gruff is much bigger, replied little Billy Goat Gruff. A bigger goat, you say? Troll licked his lips. His tummy rumbled. Oh, very well, then be off with you. Little Billy Goat ran off. He ate the sweet green grass. So here in this picture, we can see the little goat trying to cross over the bridge, and we can see Troll being angry, trying to eat the goat, being angry. And then on the next picture, we see the goat. I'll write that word that we learned with our activity on, and was it outsmarting the goat? Oh, on Wednesday yesterday. So outsmarting the troll by saying, oh, just wait, there's another one coming. He's bigger. So he outsmarted the troll and he's heading over to the green grass. Medium Billy Goat Gruff went next. Trip, trap, over the bridge. Who's that crossing over my bridge? Shouted Troll. Just me, said medium Billy Goat Gruff. I'm very hungry. I want to eat the grass on that hill. Well, I am very hungry too, said Troll. I'm going to come and eat you up, he roared. Oh, please don't eat me. I am not that big. Wait for my brother. Great big Billy Goat Gruff is much, much bigger, replied medium Billy Goat Gruff. A much, much bigger goat, you say? Troll licked his lips. His tummy rumbled. Oh, very well. Then be off with you, he said. Medium Billy Goat ran off. He ate the sweet grass, sweet green grass. So same thing here. I see medium goat, though, this time. And then we see him, again, also outsmarted the troll. And he got to go and eat the sweet green grass. Okay. Then great big Billy Goat Gruff began to cross the bridge. He was big and mean. Trip, trap, over the bridge. Who's that crossing over my bridge? Screamed Troll. You know it is me, called the great big Billy Goat Gruff. I am very, very hungry. I want to eat the grass on the hill. Well, I am very, very hungry too, said Troll. I'm going to come and eat you up, he roared. We'll see about that, said great big Billy Goat Gruff. Troll climbed up on the bridge. Great big Billy Goat Gruff stopped still. Down went his horns. He rushed at Troll. He butted him once, twice, 3 times. So this picture shows kind of that fight between Troll and the great big Billy Goat. He didn't say, oh, there's another one coming. He didn't outsmart him. He fought him and said, no, you're not going to come eat me. We'll see about that. Ah, cried Troll. He tumbled off the bridge. Oh no! Down he went into the deep water under the bridge. Splash! Great big Billy Goat Gruff went trip, trap, over the bridge and up the hill. Soon he too was eating the sweet green grass. Tasty, said the great big Billy Goat Gruff. The 3 Billy Goats Gruff lived happily ever after. They always had plenty to eat, and no one has seen Troll since then. So this picture shows, you know, the happily ever after here. It shows Troll going away. No one has seen him since, so he maybe died. We don't know. Maybe he just got swept up by the river and he ended up somewhere else. It shows great big Billy Goat Gruff winning, and eventually he'll be on the grass with his other goat friends or brother, sister. So that is our activity for today. Writing down examples. So we wrote down those little notes in the pictures that help us again with visualizing the story, imagining it, and supporting the words from the story. Which brings us next to our math lesson. Topic 3, lesson 5. And today's lesson, you can use your 10 frames. So remember that you have these in your blue math folder. It's an orange piece of paper, and you also have a little red and yellow counters to help you make 10 to subtract. So I have mine Here, let me put it in to show you. I'll just do 3 through 8 in this way, and then we'll do the other ones. I'll just kind of do regular. So here's my, I guess I'll just show you my 10 point, and then we'll go through. So the first one is 11 minus 4. So maybe I'll just show the first few this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have 11. We take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I now have 5, 6, 7 left. So number 3 will be 7. Next one is 14. Take away 8. So here's my 14. I'm going to take these 4 away. Take 4 more away. That makes 8, which leaves me with 6. Next is 12. So here's my 10, 11, 12. 12, take away 7. So here's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that leaves me 5 for number 5. 7, 6, 5. All right, 12 minus 4. You know what, I'll just keep going. It's not taking too long. 12 minus 4. Take 2 away from here, 2 away from here. Leaves me with 8 for number 6. 18. There's 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. We're going to take away 9. So here I see 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to take these 8 away and 1 from here, which leaves me with 9. Doubles. And last one, 17. Take away 8. So here's 7. So I'm going to take away the 7 because it's 17. I'm going to take away the 7 and 1 more to make it be 8. And that leaves me with 9. 17 minus 8 gives me 9. So I'll keep going here. The rest of our lesson. Carol made a 10 to subtract 6 from 15. She got the answer of 10. Is that correct? No, because if I had 6 plus 10, that gives me 16. The answer should be 9. So that'll be my explanation, showing my work for the other one. My counters away. All right, so number 10, this is our problem solving. 10 has 12 animal stickers. Mossy has 5 animal stickers. How many more does 10 have than Mossy? 12 minus 5 is 7. Angie bought 13 strawberries. She ate some, not sure how many. Now she has 8. 13 minus 8 will give me that missing number. 13 minus 8 is 5, which means that this is also true, that 13 minus 5 gives me 8. So Angie had eaten 5. There were 17 birds in the pond. So there's 10 and 7, 17. 9 flew away. So I'm going to cross off 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Letter C. Draw a picture showing how you can make a 10 to find 15 minus 7. So I'll kind of just show a 10 frame here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And I'm going to cross off 7. So I'm going to cross off these 5, 2 from here, which gives me 8 left over, being our answer. So that is our math lesson. Topic 3, lesson 5, Please complete your quick check online and practice your Espanol in the way you choose. That way you're ready for our test tomorrow, Friday, October 2nd. Happy October 1st, happy Thursday, and see you tomorrow.